Let's be honest. You use your kitchen faucet more than almost any other appliance in your home. So why are you still struggling with weak pressure, messy splashes, and handles that stick? Today, we're looking at 5 faucets that don't just look incredible, they actually make your life easier. Number 5, the low-maintenance legend, Rosen Brushed Nickel. Our runner-up, we have the Rosen. If you hate cleaning water spots and fingerprints, listen up. The finish, the brushed nickel finish, is like armor against smudges. It stays looking clean even in a busy household. The performance, the stream-to-spray nozzle is incredibly precise. No side sprays, no mess, just consistent, reliable flow every time you reach for it. Number 4, the aesthetic innovator, Brushed Black Waterfall. At number 4 is a total conversation starter, the Brushed Black Waterfall. The twist, it features a wide-mouth waterfall spout. It's perfect for gently washing berries or rinsing hands without that aggressive splashback you get from standard faucets. The utility, don't worry, it still has a powerful pull-out sprayer for the heavy lifting. It's the perfect blend of spa vibes and kitchen reality. Number 3, the versatile workhorse, Wand Mist-Low. Starting us off at number 3 is the Wand Mist-Low. This is for the home chef who's always multitasking. The killer feature, it's a dual spout system. You've got a high-pressure sprayer for the tough grime and a separate aerated stream for filling pots. The benefit, with 360-degree rotation, it turns a cramped sink into a professional workstation. It's functional, flexible, and built for heavy use. Number 2, the Industrial Modernist 304 stainless steel. Coming in at number 2 is the 304 stainless steel in matte black. This is for the person who wants that architectural look without sacrificing durability. Why it's here, most matte black faucets chip over time. This one won't. It's solid 304 steel underneath. The action, the single handle control is buttery smooth, making it easy to find that perfect not too hot, not too cold temperature instantly. Number 1, the Crown Jewel Oer Gold Polish. And finally, our number 1 spot goes to the Oer Gold Polish. This is the ultimate kitchen glow-up. The luxury, this isn't just a faucet, it's a piece of jewelry for your kitchen. The gold polish is deep, reflective, and incredibly durable. The engineering, it takes the top spot because it balances aesthetics with a heavy-duty swivel and a high-performance mixer. It's the best combination of form meets function on the market right now. A faucet upgrade is the fastest way to make your kitchen feel brand new. I've dropped the links to all 5 of these, along with the best current prices, in the description below. Drop a comment. Are you going for the matte black or the polished gold? Let me know. And if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. I'll see you in the next one.